Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. Are very special. I thank God for the gift of life, and everything shall be good and well. So, guys, thank you so much for 5K subscriber. I really appreciate, guys. This is my house over here. Every single minute, I wanna say thank you, God. Thank you so much to have a good nature like this. You know, like it's happened like a miracle, but we must believe in God. So I want to say thank you so much, guys. This is where I'm parking my motorbike. Daily life in my village here. So guys, it's been long time I was waiting, but for now I hit 5,000. 5,000. This is 5,000 liters, but for now, guys, I want to appreciate 5,000 subscriber. Thank you so much, Lord, to 6K subscriber. I really appreciate. So, guys, for now, this is my tank over here, and I think maybe soon I'll install this tank. So, actually, as I told you recently time on my videos, I want to harvest water by using this is my house. The one who have maybe at least a good iron sheet. When you compare this one, it's totally old. So I want to close my house. And guys, in case you're new here on these videos, this is where I'm living. This is where I'm calling home. And actually, this is my house. So that's my mom's house, my brother's house. It is what it is, guys. African Kenya. So I missed my home, man. 2 days, so 2 to 3 days I miss home. So east to west, home is the best. So we're supposed to go outside. Wow. And I remember the last time that I was showing you there's full of water. You see, I'm telling you guys, I missed home. I wake up in the morning, I came so late. Wow, I see the car from the cow inside here. Maybe I will take them outside, or my mom she haven't milked the cow, but it's okay. Wow, you see, this is the maize. We call the cobweb, or the maize stuff. So when you grind the maize, this one here we store, and then we use it as a source of firewood. That one right there, guys. Wow. We flow with vibe, one-on-one. We hit outside. Wow. I'm telling you guys, I missed home. That being said, I wake up in the morning, I go hustling outside there. I came so late, even to meet with my mom. Sometime I go. Like for now, my mom, she was not around. So I'm shooting these videos from home. Man, this is where I'm calling home. This is where I'm doing everything. I was blessed on this family. And I said, God is good all the time. Wow. Yo, look. This is how cows looks like. And I'm just over here, guys. I'm telling you, I'm outside. So yesterday we supposed to go live stream, but a home like this without any power, without any electricity, without any solar, we can't run maybe electronic stuff. Like for me to run maybe charging my phone, it's hectic. Charging my camera, it's so hectic. So like yesterday, to be honest, I'm trying to go for the live stream, but there is 1, 2, 3. There is 1, 2, 3. So I went to the live stream. My phone tried to went off sometime. No data, so I cut off the live stream. Bruh, it's okay. So I'm just over here to say thank you a million for those people, keep supporting me by subscribing to my channel, like, and also comment, guys. But one day these things, it will be blow up, and I will never give up until my end. I will never give up, because for example, today's videos are very, very special. And for those people maybe watching for the first time on these videos, I'll take back to my project. I missed a lot. You know, when I lose maybe some few minutes or some hour without going to my project, man, I feel like I'm nothing. So guys, for now, there is a small stones here, and I love to chill on these trees here to make some story for you. These stones here, over here, 100% guys, I love these stones. And I'm around at my home, guys. Look the way trees are waving. Look, you can see, guys, there's trees. Hey. So guys, like for example, yesterday night I woke up in the morning, I found myself I'm 5k subscribed. I said, oh, thank you so much, God. But I'm just climbing the ladder slowly. No hurry up. One day I will hit 1 million subscriber, one day. So I like to do traveling vlog, actually, to adventures so many places, more so in our village, in some different part of the village. And maybe it's advisable I can cross to the countryside. But there is one of the sport bike which I was 100% admire to get it. But there's a time I'm trying to use my motorbike to adventure some places, and then things went wrong. So my motorbike bring a lot of problem, confusion, and I realized it's not meant for the long distance. So what I do, I went to Kisii, and it's far away from here. It's a distance from here, far away. So I said, I pay the money, I go inside the car, and then I go. So if you watch my videos, it's over there. So I saw a nice sport bike. To be honest, if you watch when I'm riding Rocio motorbike, that is a motorbike that have been set on my mind. And it costs around, when you have around, like, let me say, 1,000 USD, you can get that motorbike. So for me, to be honest, guys, like, I'm tired to show you every day home, every day my project. At least, man, we're supposed to experience some life, to experience some different culture, different tribe, you know. So at least you get new thing on a side. So for now, guys, that is it. And I supposed to be taking you to my project. You see, water is messed up. Oh, what's up? Good. These are our beautiful cows over here. And actually, every day I'm telling you, our cows are not aggressive. You can touch like Malaika, like Ayamaro's horses. You look. Oh, it's grazing over there. So me, every single minute I wanna say thank you so much, because I'm aiming, I'm going far, and I'm coming from scratch. You mean from scratch, like from down, like bottom, from bottom to top. So let me take you to my project and see. But it's a bright morning in my village. You can see how things they are, and that's the maize corn I see on the far end. People keep plowing the maize. Or another way, people are planting at the same time. People are plowing, uprooting unwanted, So let's take you there, guys. To hit 5k subscriber, it's not easy, but continue on that spirit. May God bless you. Well, so I'm heading this way, and I will show you. I think maybe my mom, she's supposed to open maybe 2 doors. We lock for the toilet because it's so expensive. We lock them. This is my project, and I'm supposed to cut these trees here that are near to the toilet. I'm supposed to cut these trees, even this one. I left that one. Maybe next year also I'll cut that trees. I don't want to see any trees around my project here, because the roots will come down and then we'll try to push the foundation. So I'm trying to escape from that. You see, guys, I think maybe last month I was showing you, like 3 weeks past, I was showing you people spraying a chemical for maybe to plant something here. Right now they plant maize. You can see these are maize beans. That's how people done farming here, over here. And that's my grandma land, and they plant some maize, and it's growing so big, man. Growing so big. I'm telling you, look, it's growing so big. And at the back here, this is my toilet, man. So that being said, I'm working on tiles, but God shall open the doors. God shall open the doors, because right now you're supposed to see. And I will tell my mason, they haven't make this place look good. When they will come to make some finishing here, they're supposed to work for here. You see, it's different between here and also here. You see, there's a big difference. So maybe all done, maybe inside, and I'm so grateful to have a small project like this one. Every single day I pass here, and I said, God, thank you so much. God, thank you for everything that you've given me through my hands. So this is my mom's washroom, and right now I think it's so concrete. You heard? And it's dried enough. Maybe when you start applying some tiles, sorry guys, start fixing some tiles, it can't bring too much coldness inside here, because it's dried enough. I'm telling you, look, it's dried enough. Hey, hello baby official. I'm trying my best, and I'll make sure when this my project is completed, fixed tiles, they wanna start cleaning up. Maybe every week on Sunday or on Saturday during the weekend, they must clean the ceiling board, tiles on the wall. Like when you're taking shower inside here, those liquid from the soap will splash to the wall. So you must be clean every weekend. So it's supposed to be taking care of this project, because man, I came from far and I don't want to mislead anything here. I don't like me. I'm showing you maybe sometime. I'm telling you, like 2 to 3 days I haven't come to my project. So at least, man, for now I have my own project. You heard? Yeah, there's some insect here. You see, guys? So when it's sometimes here, when it try to climb here, it fall down. Look. So that's the purpose that I want to fix tiles here. Alright. So this is the ceiling board over here. So maybe when things went wrong, I will paint. Maybe. So let's see. But I hope soon everything shall be okay. Let's move on. This is the entrance, and it's supposed to check. Other side for my mom's dream materials or for my materials. You know, like in the morning, there is one guy came here every day looking for me. So they want to dig a borehole. I'm telling him, right now I want to finish my toilet or my project, and then we proceed for the next project. So I don't want to have maybe like 2 to 3 projects at the same time. I can't manage to run it out. So I finish first my toilet, and then every day when I came here, I got the message from my mom. The guy, you know what? The guy who was looking you every day. Even today, guys, he came early in the morning. I was sleeping, and then he knocked my door, making for me a lot of noise. Wake up. And then I said, what's up, man? What's popping you? He told me he wants a job. He wants to dig a borehole. And for now, I'm not ready to dig a borehole because I want to finish my toilet. At the same time, I want to fix some tank. No gutters, I'm telling you. So I don't want maybe to run maybe on borehole. So I want to harvest water. Maybe when I get some gutters here, that's my mom, guys. When having some gutters over here, I will harvest water up to that way. So when my time allowed, finish maybe purchasing my mom's dream, my mom's material maybe next year, I would think of digging the borehole because it will help me in terms of construction. So for now, I'm thinking how to get some gutters to harvest water. So right now you see the tank, it's on the ground and chilling. Woo! I'm telling you guys, and it's cold over here. That's where I'm calling home, man. It looks so beautiful. Oh, wow. Let's see. That's my uncle's motorbike over here. Woo! Wow. Kigutunokor. Yeah. You see, guys, that's how we peel some brooms on this. Fire means to sieve. Compound. Yes, we use brooms here, and the local from trees, from gravellous trees. There, like this. Okay, alright. Yes, that's my cousin over there. My mom, she was sister to my dad, blood in blood. So I think this is my material over here on the ground. You can already see every day I came to check them. There's stones, there's sand. Maybe the reason why I'm showing you, maybe when I'm around at my home here, there is maybe some people who don't watch my video anymore. Maybe it was the first time to watch these videos. I'm showing you what I'm running to my village here. Look, maybe one day you could watch the video, and then you find I put some material here, everywhere material one day. So keep it locked. More amazing videos coming, and I suppose on Saturday this week to arrange these bricks and then to cover with polythene paper, because it wanna mess up, and I have a lot of work to do with these bricks here, you know, over here. So I'm trying to arrange them on a side. I think there's some shade here which my brother made it, you see. Over here, these are small shade over there. So I see there is one of our neighbors tried to dig my brother's land to uproot some unwanted weeds, so in order to see the maize clear. And I think they were been with my mom digging my brother's land. So that's how maybe every day our morning routine looks like. I wake up everywhere around my village. Oh, yesterday they were been digging here, but right around you see the maize. At least when my brother came, they would have hopes. So my mom would try to dig sirori. You see there is this maize. Look, this maize. So you can see the different where have been digging and not yet digging. Look. Whew, guys, it's time to leave my village here, and I want to say thank you so much for taking me to 5K subscribers, and the maize have been planted on lines. Jedo, kwani chombole moge? Anche ora che ora cosa, mo già tocca te mio. Indiano number. Okay. Hey. You see, guys, so that's how they dig out, at least maybe to mix up the loamy soil. Maybe when my brother came, maybe the time of holiday, maybe December, they found maybe the maize on this level here. I think it's here, because it's 3 months ahead, and then 3 months maybe on February they wanna start harvesting the maize. Okay, guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. And right now I'm not in charge of this land. That being said, that's my brother who are in charge of this land. So in case you don't know my brother, there's some videos that I made escorting my brother to school, paying rent, purchasing utensils, because it's a hassle. It's a hassle by itself. When we went to universities, you must be staying in hostel or outside. So I make for everything. That's my real brother in Brad. And I don't know people who throw some balance stones. When I found one people, they will mess up. Well, guys, so stay tuned. we shall meet for the next videos today. Guys, today it's a crazy day. You know, my motorbike got a puncture, and we have here Mawira, guys.
What's up, people? I'm just enjoying the cool breeze after working. You know, I've been working.
Yes, I know over there.
Yeah, I've been working, so so it's just time to relax now.
Okay.
And at least look whatever is happening on the internet and also learn a few things. You know, like every day is a learning day. So one thing that I learned from one of the best travelers, female travelers, Dim Wango, she told me like every day make sure like you study something concerning whatever you do for your life. Okay. Yeah.
So Mawira, I want to check one guy here, a mechanic, ananizipia pikipiki. Mura. Uniekea tube mzuri. Guys, I suppose urasukume.
Dagirumira Kenya torai. Kutorani bono hikuchoka huko. Tawone na achinyo ngo turi tube.
Oh.
Ori beach vest.
Okay guys, this is the pump to feel the pressure and all stuff for opening the tires, guys. No rasiri nani hiri. No rasiri rimu.
Hata muri tube esare kirekare.
Ora irimu tarachibe ne bende.
Atero. Batori yangu ikarani. Nigiru minyanera rutera anturi gitiro ku.
Okay guys, you see it has some issue here. Onturi tube nchie mrafu. Ontebi chacho msinire ngachirapi. Itubu 200.
250.
250 sa na gotora na musino ratore. 300 ndakwe.
300. 350 kokorera.
Sawa. So I supposed to pay the money, guys. So the motorbike it can't walk because the tires got some big issue. So we need to change the tube. Rafu nyuma noranyi churu mweka. Babu, acha niende niwasiagiane huko juu. Wiki ni ya wikar.
Igangi ukiri.
Oh.
Kana kimreki.
Na nyuma noranyi churu mweka. Yes guys, I'm telling you, even at the back tires you must feel the pressure. Ngora yuko. So guys, I will come for some few minutes here and you see how guys things have been happening. But for our neighbors over there, they have torn fence. So in the morning, there is one guy tried to trim the fence. And actually, when I'm on the way going to Border Town, I passed there good. I went to Border and then I came back. But on the small stones, you can't see some thorns. So right left of the center, I realized the guy, when finished trimming the fence, they're supposed to collect the thorns. So unfortunately, that guy left everything on the road. So I wonder why. So in case you're new here, let me show you the thorn fence maybe. And it's supposed to be know what I'm talking about, and you get what I mean. So for example, you see, these are the thorns which you are talking about. So in the morning, you can see this. Look, these are thorns. Serious. So there is a guy in the morning trimming this fence, and you know, it's good when you trim the fence like this thorn. Look, I'm telling you. So it's good when you trim the fence, you collect the thorns on the road, because this road was being passed by many people. All right, it's okay. It's okay. Wow. But let's see the mechanic. So we tried to change the tube. We put the new one, and look, I'm telling you, every tons. So I remove it. So after this, I'll come later, and then I don't want maybe some tons. Hey, anyway, let's go. So this is the thorn fence. You see how they were being trimmed in the morning. Very nice. Oh, let's move on. So east to west, home is the best, and it's happening, guys. You know. So let's move on. Oh yeah, that. I'm greeting that. That is it's a respectful greeting, means good morning, Dad. Good afternoon, Dad. But we try to speak our vernacular language. So that's Korean. You know, Tat, Pab. So that guy put my motorbike on and then tried to drive. So this is Uncle Mo home. So let me request for the lift. Otahira lero mbe. Ya ona. Ndio mimi nimetoa pikipiki yangu. Hata leo nilikuwa na roboti zako leo. Acha mimi pikipiki yangu nimeenda mzigo. So guys, God is good. I get a lift up to my house. So after that, guys, I supposed to pass to congratulate Mom and take so I had to take the maize grinding. Yeah. So nisubiri hapa nishike kutoenda rafiki yangu. Pikipiki yangu imetoboka, hapo jamaa anasukuma. Si imetobokea huko. Hata nichukue kitu hapa nije tuende. Najua nyumbani unaenda. Okay. So guys, I supposed to take the maize to take to the portion. Woo! This Simba here. Simba. So guys, I supposed to take the maize corn to take the portion meal. At the same time, my motorbike got punctured. So I'm a man. Wow. So this is the maize corn, guys. Look, you see? All right. And I'm supposed to take this. Wow. So let's move on.
Kwani huko juu unakaaje mama? Anyway, na waulize. Yaani unafanya pale. Uwezo kaenda shambani ma. Yaani sijui mimi vile mama yangu alifika. Anaenda
Oya. Oh, fika. Yeah. So it's supposed to close the gate. So you get what I mean, guys. So this is the maize corn over here. Hey. Pantu para kere. Tato kwanza. Wendi yet. Hapo kwa simu ngine hatu mpige. Stage pale tu jamani zika. Antengeneze pikipiki. Najua naenda nyumbani. Na wewe mlishawe. Kabla urudi shuleni. Anataka kujifunza mambo kwa mbele kama hiyo. Nikifika hapo nipate naenda. Ona nyabu na stage. Unacha tu hapo stage. Okay. Nenda kumata. Well guys, people are plowing here, so Mura, kana mbana ukutoa miba? Ongea na huyu. Ongea nyumbani. Kimbia tuende na miguu ananisusia hapa. So guys, you get what I mean? That guy is the one who trimming the fence. Alright. Okay, so where I reach, I'm supposed to say thank you because I have a long way to go. Hey, so let me ask that guy. He was the one who trimming the fence of our neighbor, and then he forgets to collect. We wanna say the thorns, but you see, the time was coming from my Amara's place. I was collecting that thorns. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Go ahead. Tana change. Sasa wewe ulikataa kutoa miba. Imenitobolea pikipiki.
Mbona urudi kutoa?
Haujatoa mura. Ona hata pikipiki yangu imepita hapa.
Mambo vipi?
Fresh.
Uko poa?
Uko poa.
Roda ni gani?
Tuvimbe na ituende Nyabansi rafiki yangu. Hata hapo stage tu nikuti mezibwa.
Hiyo nashika.
Okay guys, so let's continue with our journey. Niko tore kuire. Ona mbea kafaru kunye. Ohe ni amaho karibu hivi.
Poa lakini nafika tu hapo hivi. Nakuja kuyatoa sisi.
So guys, I was telling you there's one of my friend who trimming the fence in the morning. Cause this one here guys.
Unajua ni aje? Najanga na tuanga kidogo alafu unajua nini pale? Master hapa ndo mwenyewe. Semusika pale.
Okay.
Karibu Msumbiji.
Msumbiji nini?
Tupo Msumbiji upande wa
Tanzania.
East Africa. Nipo Afrika Kusini. Msumbiji kwa Mtwara na Ngwenda.
Ngwenda ni nini bana?
Na Ngwenda kama
karate.
Nataka kwambia nafunza karate.
So let's go guys. My friend tried to assist me. Oh guys, God did it again. So just I need some money. So guys, this is how Japan House looks like. Don't mess up. Check out the door up. My house could have a friend. Papa too. Interessante. Agora só me é que eu vou ficar. Ai. Olha só, okay guys. Then I supposed to put here. Cara ukura to ala turi tu.
Tamukaniga. Inani ete mono hei. Ala mahera mono.
Utomonyesha mumwambia hii iko hapa.
Sasa angeregeza kuhara.
What's up man?
Yo ni vinyanki ukore.
Vinyanki nkore kana tenguli vinyanki. Ufukangi kutrolete rwe nabantu babo. Acha komponi.
So guys, the new tube. Moro aton tu YouTube rekore po kaheke mungu. Eka me kokocho kokocho.
Yombe ni NPP.
So this is the new tube guys.
The original one.
Igu chimbire kitomero.
Kamera. Alafu nkoro gebeke ndachenkore ibyeyo. Kopa yanko kotegerani.
Demi kia tobo hei.
Vamos abantu bano chief. Chief. Vamos abantu bano. Chief. Abantu bano. Kano mabaso moyo uraba pakakiara yega tikiti tena.
Bantu urari kina pipeni oromukangi.
Tikapate muivikivi. You see guys, so this is the old one. Unuhikira kona nyogurure. You see guys.
Niko kasi yangu. Wewe unanifuata. Wewe ni nani?
Kuipa tena.
So after that guys, I supposed to take that maize to the portion. Hey, big machine guys. Woo. Look. Hey. Okay. So I take the maize, the portion me afu mbako kachunge. Muruni na mahindi hayo.
Tigambe.
Choni chikoro korire.
Posho me chinonga masita.
Aya. To remove the shaft. One way hano.
Wani gapo oe. Ala pore maiki ai.
Eka sugura ande buko. And then you take the portion. Umanyana ni simende noma sana. You see guys, the shafts are coming down. There's the shaft. Uwa mora teura mahi.
Subscribe on YouTube.
Tao te bigi tiribana rago te. Kena.
Ona kitiri. Ndio bana yangu kana muombe ndamu. Ndamuichira YouTube.
Kana kitiriba nuwenyu no ramu.
Rangu ni tamayirila ni ko fahando mangu.
Namu mukamona ba ai gokora.
Mora amanyanki kama. Go. Tapi mama ni renga chi.
Anga bukwebera.
Era tenenera. Nen.
No.
So guys, want to measure on this and then to know exactly the tune of the maize and then put the line.
No, sapati de wan. Otara triga na la no to.
Ta utununye pero que entre.
Vamos cani. Ando no uri ya rango.
Utna tu riga na no.
So and then put here. Finally unapiga kiki.
Hata ina ndio kwa kuichira hiki.
Nataka iborasiwe aya kuragera aya hangu ya karuti bwege ya bantu bana bituko.
Oh.
Kandi ga unombe amumwene tema haragi.
You do like this. Oh, start.
Eh.
Hey.
Start.
Wala di ko ka home mo naman so kimumbor. Turo bas.
Tayo turo musko mo se.
Kono
Ilarante medicine ka kinyo mahe. Ndamu be kan ke ba wuta kinya ko kuche. Yang kuche rante bega. Baba nyabu.
Samusa kabisa mura buturu kiri.
uturuzire mbura kana watari kuri vitamini bibi mwatu
Ah, abono hero watu eh. Then there is some bees here. Sucking for the fly.
iga some bees
Bees.
iga some bees
Mura tasuri hano mura.
iga tanko ko wategwa
Izungusha.
iga some bees
Ewe na ragote moves.
iya eno rekodi mbevore ngusuri
Well guys, so I'm just over here and actually I'm at around this is the Virginia's construction site. So I came to have fresh air here, and then finally I take the flour back to Congrats Mom. So when I came from the Congrats Mom, I came with maize corn, and right now I've already grind. You see the process, all the stuff, man. It's time to go back. So, and actually this is recently home for Chef Matiko, so I'm just passing here. So initially Chef Matiko were living here, and I'm telling you the reality, guys. When we were kids also, we play with Chef Matiko's brother, we called Mabere. We didn't hear jumping over and all stuff. So I'm going to the pushing me over there to take the maize corn, take the flour and take back home. Wow. That's the pusher mill machine, that grinding maize over there. Wow. So this is how Nyabohanse market looks like. So it's a sunny day. Over there there's cassava or being dried. Wow. So this is the posho mill machine, and I'm supposed to take this Congrats Mom right now, guys. So stay tuned. So guys, right now I'm heading back to the site. Hey, today we have a lot of sunny, guys. Look at the lizard, guys. Crazy fish. So right now I'm heading back. And today we have sunny day. Maybe sometimes you can't see the views, but guys, actually I'm heading to Congrats. Let's go and see. Over here we have police station, police post. Let's see. Hi. Wow. Alongside the road you have the goats, cow, grazing alongside the road. Wow. But my motorbike brought every time solving issue. When I solve this, I'm supposed to do this. Man, I feel like I want to left my motorbike, because sometimes I solve this one happened. Like for now, I put tires, the tube. So sometimes I'm supposed to repair this. Oh man. But it's all right, and I thank God, man. But for now, I have my own motorbike, so I'm supposed to ride them. Friday. Yeah. So guys, there is one lady stops me here. She's a YouTuber. Iyo kugamba. Pana ntajiri nkungo. Yeah. Ntajiri nkungo.
Ungejua ni mimi.
Hayukui?
Nataka hapo kwenda kuna maana hapo.
Kama man? Yeah. Well guys, so I reached home here. So I opened the gate and I'm supposed to close the gate, and then finally I'll take the flat to other side. You know what I mean? So it's supposed to go on the other side. Let's see. Just a minute. It's supposed to put the middle stand. Yeah. So I suppose to take them inside the house and also see what is going on. No. Well guys, so right now I'm heading down. So we're supposed to see what's going on, and technically everything's good here. Fantastic, man. You can see huge progress for the perimeter wall over here. Hey, whoa. There is one log trees that have been removed here, and at the same time they tried to make the table without logs. 3 logs, rocks or whichever. So for now I left my motorbike at Congrats Mom here, so until when they remove the thorns on the road, so I'm supposed to go down with it. So just over here, and technically guys, today we want to celebrate for the 5K subscriber. Thank you so much, but keep supporting me for this journey, and it's all about honest, patient, and all the time the best time is the winner. So best time is the winner, right? So right now I want to say thank you so much for 5K subscriber. I really appreciate it. So we climbed the ladder slowly guys. So right now I'm aiming to 6K subscriber slowly. So cool. Yeah, so 6K subscriber. So for now we're just working for it, and all about, I love that guy who have been trimming the fence. So in the when I'm going to Nyabohanse, I meet him on the way and I talk with him, do this, blah blah blah, ABC, and then he done, man. Because here me, maybe in the morning I'll come with my motorbike, guys. Maybe you can see me clear, guys. Sometimes, you know, it's a kind of we called because of the lights, so it's supposed to be here. Mura kabisa. Hata nobody kucha nayo. Nimeogopa kabisa. Niliogopa kuja naye. Unaona kama hai.
Hapo tunalizika.
Bro, unaona kama hai. Acha nifike hapa chini. Lakini asante kaka.
Kwa hiyo.
Acha nifike narudi tu saa hii. You see like this one here. It's not a joke, you know. Oh. Yes. And over here, guys, that is Githiriba's land. When you are going to a Amaro's place, you suppose the first guy you meet is Githiriba here, near. But on the other side is Uncle Mo. You can see, guys, the White House there. That's Githiriba, and over there, right there. Whew, so let's see what is going on. And wow. Me, I'm feeling so happy, guys, to celebrate 12K subscriber. But I think maybe night time we go live stream and make a thing. Hello. 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 To move, guys, and sorry for interruption. I was receiving a call, and actually, you know, you don't want to pretend maybe to receive the call. You're supposed to receive the call, and sometime maybe it was an emergency call, you don't know. So it's good to receive the call. Stop. So see, guys, the cow being grazed alongside the road here. I'm telling you, guys. Hey! You see this over here. So I've already reached here. East to west, home is the best. So hey, guys, today you have a lot of sun. I don't know. This is what it is. Kana vipi? Nimeenda weka tube. Sijapoanza nataka kwenda hivi.
Twende hivyo basi.
Niende nikuache wapi?
Kwa nini kwa wapi?
Nimekuja nayo hivi, nimeacha kwa kinadi. Tangia nitoka hapa sasa ndio kurudi.
Nataka yenye abo shoot tuko home.
Introduce nikienda.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Mr. Gake.
Your favorite. You know me, I like to remind you, Mr. Gake, your favorite.
So if you're watching this, can you watch till the end? So I want to rush toward my hometown so that I can just do some 1, 2, 3 stuff.
Okay.
And then I should just be back.
So maybe my lunchtime is supposed to be here. Yeah. So I want maybe to forget and then you throw out.
No, why you throw out? And
yes, I supposed to eat. And then I was taking the maize corn to the portion me, and then I turned to congrat mom. So I was grinding them. Maybe unisubidie.
Wewe ndo kule. Alafu utaambia msichana.
Wow, guys. So I supposed to lock the gates. When you enter here, you lock everything. Wow, guys, welcome to Villa Menjelin 2024, guys. No problem, guys. So all right, and I want to say, guys, stay tuned when I'm celebrating today 5K subscriber. I really appreciate for you guys. You mean a lot for me, and keep on that spirit. I'm keep climbing ladder, like tap 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 tap. I'm aiming higher, guys. So right now, Lord to 6K subscriber. I really appreciate. Slowly but sure, guys. You know, guys, every time I was telling you, this is my Roman Catholic Church over here. So I want to give you a quick brief tour, and then maybe supposed to give you a tour when you have full of people here. You see, guys, this is how my church developed. I'm telling you. I'll give you a brief, quick tour. This is my Roman Catholic Church, guys. Wow. I'm so blessed, man, and I've been I've been serving here for the long time, even up to now. So this is my church. That's the house for Maria. We just believe on that. Oh, guys, this is my church. I'm telling you. Let me take you around here. Oh, before I take you to the church, guys, this is Maria. We just believe on that, and we pray for that over there. That's the church we call Catholic. If you are a Roma, I'm supposed to showing you here each and every time when I'm going to Border Town, guys. Hey, 100%, guys. I love my church. You know, that's the entrance. Woo! I'm so grateful, guys, to be here, and it's not my first time. So here where we worship, guys, my Roma Catholic, and actually these are Roma, you see. Wow. So today no one is here, and it's on Tuesday. So when there's some church service going on, I'll show you one of these days, guys. Maybe I'll talk with the priest, and then I'll vlog inside the church, show you how some things goes through. Well, and when I'm on the other side on the road, this is the shop that I was showing you. This one here on the other side of the road. Wow, really developed, man. Wow, guys. Hey, at the views, green scenery, Even these trees here, in the future, it will create some beautiful shading over here, guys. Guys, for me, I came to eat lunch, and on the way I found my mom fetching firewood, and right here, one-on-one, my sister, say hello. Hello. I'm telling you, guys, so right now I'm heading back home to have lunch. I'm hungry like a goat, man. Oh, hey. So guys, over here I give my sisters. Angalia, guys, I give my sister a special ride. So lunchtime we will never back to school, so we just over here. Hey, my sister to the world. So I'm trying to give my sister oh guys, because of light. So guys, I'm trying to give my sister a special ride. Today it's almost noon time. So like right now she was chilling at home here. Maybe in the morning he went to school, maybe in the morning up to 6 aquarium. That's my neighbor, guys. So from in the morning up to 12, she wanna be coming back and relaxing, enjoying here. Guys, that's my mom. Guys, you know what? Right now it's lunchtime. As I told you, I came to take lunch over here. So this rice. Thank you so much, guys. Now my family is enjoying the rice. And this is the tea. I'm telling you, man. Oh. Oh. Oh guys, so I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. May God bless you. So right now I've already finished taking lunch, and also that's my beauty. And most of the time, man, me I'm parking my motorbike here. So technically I'm thinking about how I finish my toilet, and I think soon I'll start installing the tiles, because right now the time was so fixed, and I suppose maybe to move to the next position, but before that I supposed to finish it. And I think I will cut those trees there, because when I'm pretend it's gonna interfere with my perimeter wall and then start pushing the foundation, which I don't like. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. Let's meet for the next videos, which is maybe tomorrow by God willing. And I want to say thank you for taking me 5k subscriber. I really appreciate, you know, to hit 5,000 subscriber. It's not easy. It requires a lot of energies, pushing right, left to the center, so to make sure that my dream come to reality, guys. So for now I want to say, guys, bye guys. I love you. Bye guys.